What's up, everybody? Today we're doing a hip-hop groove on strings. These patterns are based off of drum styles that you would see in old school drum machines like the Roland TR-808. We're going to have 3 sounds for today's hip-hop pattern lesson: kick drum, snare, and hi-hat. So our kick drum is the one that goes, our snare is the part that goes, and our hi-hat is here. Put it together and you get. So let's get used to our first pattern. I have the metronome at 76, and we're going to half-time this pattern. You can even try saying it with me. Down, up, chop, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, chop, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, chop, up, down, up. 1, 2, ready, go. Down, up, chop, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, chop, up, down, up. Keep playing it. So play along with that clip as much as you need for halftime. Now we're gonna go full tempo. We're gonna play along with the pocket operator. 1, 2, ready, and. Change notes. Put down first finger. Try another finger. On to the second part. Now we're going to add hi-hats, and it's going to be super fun because we get to mute the strings. So we're going to basically just cover the strings very lightly and let our bow go like this. So if we add hi-hats to our pattern of down, up, chop, up, down, up, one way to do it would be like this. Down, down. Try that with me. Yeah, let's try that with the pocket operator. 1, 2, ready, and. Nice, all right. So if you can play along with that, now you're ready for the next step, which is lifting our muting hand so that we get more kick drums. And I'm going to do a couple different patterns. I'm going to get the metronome going at 76. See if you can play the same stuff that I'm playing. Let's start with the pattern we just did. Now try this. Try this. So we just turned one pattern into 4 patterns by using different muting. So now you know how to do a basic hip hop pattern on strings. The next level is when we add more left hand. We can add some more right hand chop techniques. It could go something like this. Check it out. It's going to be fun. So practice this stuff. Let me know what you think. This is the first time that I've taken these kind of ideas and put them into one video like this. So any feedback is helpful. Let me know, and I'll see y'all next time.